Question number 1. What is the currency of Iran? The correct answer is option A, Rial. The Iranian Rial is the official currency of Iran. Question. What is the currency of Qatar? The correct answer is option B, Rial. The Qatari Rial is the currency of Qatar. Question. What is the currency of Jordan? The correct answer is option C, dinar. The Jordan dinar is the official currency of Jordan. Question. What is the currency of Kuwait? The correct answer is option A, dinar. The Kuwaiti dinar is one of the strongest currencies in the world. Question. What is the currency of Afghanistan? The correct answer is option B, Afghani. Question. What is the currency of Norway? The correct answer is option B, Kron. Question. What is the currency of Sweden? The correct answer is option A, Krona. What is the currency of South Africa? The correct answer is option A, Rand. Question. What is the currency of Philippines? The correct answer is option A, Peso. Question. What is the currency of Mexico? The correct answer is option B, Peso. What is the currency of Argentina? The correct answer is option A, Peso. Question. What is the currency of Nigeria? The correct answer is option C, Naira.